Hi everyone, you're watching LDD TV, and here I have a gift wrap that I just finished. This is for a family friend actually, and I just wanted to show this to you guys because I keep giving you guys examples of, gift wrapping ideas when I'm doing, certain videos on certain accessories. So I want to show you an example of what a cellophane gift wrap would look like. I didn't do the calculations as to how much this is worth, but you have a nice amount of items here. I've got a Sugar Booger chalkboard placemat over here. That's right here, back here. That's the Chalkadoodle. We've got the Rolling Luggage by Stephen Joseph. We've got the Bottle Bunny by Stephen Joseph. The matching or coordinating, this is the, Sidekick backpack, the Lunch Pal, the water bottle, the freezer friends right here, and we've got the Itsy Ritsy snack bags. Just way too many items to go through. So I really hope you like it. I think it's absolutely beautiful, and this basically works, the cellophane gift wrap works with any type of gifts, especially these types, the non-squarey type items. And what I just did was I created a base. See down here, this is cardboard. I wrapped it up with some tissue paper. I cut up tissue paper and I added some filler over here. And I basically threw everything on, well actually not threw everything on rather, but placed things on so that it's basically layered one on top of the other. So for the most part you can see everything. The only thing you can't see would be that chalkboard over there. I honestly had nowhere to put that one. Anyway, I hope you like it. Search Little Dudes and Divas on YouTube for more videos and have a great day.